keeping schools clean during COVID-19. Custodial staffs across the district have been trained to use the Halo disinfectant system. The district purchased the misting machines for every school to help combat the coronavirus.
The solution that it uses is called Halo Mist. It's a hydroperoxide-based product with actually a silver enhancement to make sure it's very aggressive to go out and kill pathogens.
During a training session at Bluffton High School, custodians and school administrators got to see firsthand how the machine sprays out hospital-grade disinfectant and why it's so effective.
It's a fog, so it's going to fill up this whole area, like this auditorium. It could fill up this whole auditorium in a matter of 15-20 minutes, and what it does is it eliminates the human error. Even with the spray gun, you're still going to be missing areas and so forth, where this is going to take care of that. And the second most important reason why it's so effective at school is it cuts down labor. You only have so much labor to get so many different areas, where this, you put it in a section of the school and take out and disinfect that whole area.
Schools will use the machines at least twice a week as part of their deep cleans.
Very proud of the district for investing in not only our students' safety, but our staff safety and our custodian safety. This new machine, not only will it help with all the COVID mess, but just on a normal year with athletics and just keeping everything sanitized and as safe as it possibly can be for our students and staff.
The system helps stop the spread of more than just COVID-19, so the athletic departments are also excited to use the foggers to help keep locker rooms, weight rooms, and other areas clean.
This will be great because we can get in between everything in the room, in the locker rooms, those difficult areas to clean and sanitize. This is a good option for us to do that. Sometimes you clean and go to reuse too soon, so sometimes it's not as sanitized as you may think, and it sounds like this will do the trick.
The whole purpose of this machine is deter and to cut down any mass spread. So it's a great product for other things like MRSA, common flu, H1N1, etc.
The Halo disinfectant systems were paid for using funds from the CARES Act. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.